Hello, hello, hi, this is Nashid. Today I'm going to tell you about cloud computing. Welcome to, hi, this is Nashid, and welcome to Cloudify with Nashid, my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel, Cloudify with Nashid. And I'm requesting you all to be with me in this session to learn more about cloud. Let's see the cloud and uh, how the concepts and the other things working in the cloud. And not only that, I will take you through the remaining concepts which I did explain in my previous video. And I would like to tell you more about cloud and how the services are used and how the remaining services can be utilized in your capstone project, in your college project, in your industrial project, and how you can crack good jobs, how you can crack um, I mean basically you can go into the cloud computing careers if it belongs to companies like Rackspace, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, and many more. So here, let's say we have a thing. Last time we were having you can say here you can see. Okay, here we go. Right, getting started with the cloud, and in this cloud PPD, I'm going to tell you everything, how cloud works and everything. To refer everything about this video, you can watch my last video which I posted 2 weeks, 3 weeks back. And in case of any doubts, queries, and anything, any new topic or anything related to the cloud content, you can ping me in the comment below, and you can mention your favorite topic. You can mention in the comments everything you want. And to get more insights and more doubts, questions, and any kind of clarity, do please reach me out on my LinkedIn channel, on my Twitter account, and requesting you all to please direct DM me to get into the cloud bootcamps. So here in the last session, we completed couple of services like store files, hosting a website, static websites using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other technologies. And apart from that, we also having some dynamic websites like PHP, MySQL, .NET, and SQL Server, which many of the organizations are using as of now. So I have taken one WordPress server example and showed to you that how things are working out there. And not only that, things are working pretty fine inside the cloud when you are running your virtual machine and when you are running your Amazon relational database service. Relational database services is nothing but all the database activities which you are running. You might be running a Microsoft SQL, you might be running DynamoDB, or any kind of a database where you are pulling the data to your dynamic website. So these were some constraints and some free services which AWS provides. Apart from that, we were introducing you about how to create a network and how to add components in the network by using identity and access management, CloudWatch, and CloudFormation. So let's start with the networking part here. In the cloud, we have given you a link, and I have attached this link to my pin comment and in the comment section where you can refer and go deep dive into this cloud. So here I will tell you how these EC2 instances can be created, and you can go ahead and put your server data, put your analytics data, and whatever data, application data, network data, virtual private cloud, and your firewall data, everything which you can put here in your Amazon free tier account. So once you have created your free tier account, you can create groups by using this utility known as AWS Identity and Access Management. You can click here and you'll go to your directly to the page where it will ask you to give your credentials and take you in to basically give you an added advantage of using this identity. You have to give the permissions. After giving the permission, you have to create the groups, and to each group you need to attach the resources which the group can administer or stop or create anything of that sort. Apart from that, Amazon CloudWatch is there. It will give you 1 lakh API request, 10 alarms and 10 matrices you can add. Apart from that, cloud formation is there. AWS cloud formation is nothing but it gives you a modeling, provisioning, and any type of you can say a single Amazon EC2 instance on a multi-tier application. Right, you can create your EC2 instances by using cloud formation. It's a tool. You can code it, and if you are a beginner, you can just click drop down and configure your requirement, and according to your RAM, virtual CPU, virtual RAM, Amazon will give you and provision you. Apart from that, it can be integrated with other development and management tools like Cloud9, your Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio tool, VS Code, and other things. Even NetBeans, it supports Java as well. It supports Python as well. Even you want to integrate any Django Python framework, that also can be done with your cloud formation. If you want an instance of Python type, then again you can do it. If you want, basically these instances are of Linux OS, which is compatible to all the base operating system, and you can go ahead and use this cloud formation and create your resources and templates. There are some sample templates given here. I am clicking you to to take you to this page to show that yes, we have formation templates available on the website of the AWS, and you can explore all the templates and you can go deep dive into it and you can use accordingly. So here is the button, get started with the cloud formation, and you can go ahead and started with it. See, many customers are using it, like GoDaddy is using, FCB is using, Expedia is using, to orchestrate their EC2 instances, orchestrate their development environment, orchestrate their production environment, orchestrate their testing environment, and even do much more in their development process. Apart from that, uh, we do have a thing known as auto scaling. You can use this auto scaling option, and you can easily go ahead and write all the um, triggers and calculations, and whenever you want to drill up and drain down, or you want to scale up the resource and scale up the particular requirement, you can do it. It is a very cost saving kind of approach which Amazon gives you. Let's say you are running a company and it's a mid-sized company and you have 50,000 users on your platform, on your particular social media. Let's say you are a social media and name of your social media is abc.in, and people are coming to your platform to register, sign up, sign in, post videos, pictures, media, everything. So now you have 50,000 users as of now, for example, and tomorrow suddenly lockdown comes or some unexpected situation comes in and your particular usage drops down to 25,000. In that case, auto scaling will help you in going down with your those empty resources will get released from your cart and the billing will not be coming into you, and that will be a very cost saving approach inside your organization, company, and enterprise. The second thing is AWS data pipeline. AWS data pipeline is there. Three low frequency preconditions are there. Five low frequency activities are there. So whatever data you want, like Kafka is one data pipeline. Here AWS also provides their own pipeline. Instead of Kafka, you can use uh, AWS. It can be integrated. It is also an open source API. We have the API documentation available here, as you can see on my screen, which describes everything. And I will pin this link in my comment section as well, so that you can go ahead and click on it and get everything about the data pipeline, how this Amazon data pipeline works with the cloud. So next thing is how you need to go with ahead and start your free tier account. If you're a beginner, how you can go ahead and and you can go inside the Amazon platform and use these services and create your code after doing the build, after deploying your code, after writing your code, after testing your code, and after doing all the bug fixing. You need to deploy it in development and production, and then you need to host it in the your EC2 instances, and you need to run and monitor it. So this is your development process which you will do on Amazon platform, which every company does it. And so to do this, you need one of the things, that is your AWS account, enterprise account or a free tier account, and then you can go ahead and you can use it as per your wish. So here are some steps which is given to you to so that you can store your files and you can do whatever you want. So let's see one more aspect here. If we say that, let's if you want to see how usage can be tracked, then you can go to this console link, console.aws.amazon.com. Click on this link, and I will give this link in the pin comment so that you can, and just put your user credential, go hit on next, and you will get into your the dashboard where you will get the all the billing details, bills, everything, your taxation, all the things about all your instances, resources for your organization and for your personal account both. And you can follow these steps of navigation and you can easily calculate the bill. Even we have simple monthly calculator as well available on the Amazon platform, and you can use this and you can go ahead and get all the details of your future, like in region data transfer, out data transfer, VPC peering transfer, infra region transfer, public IP elastic transfer. So these are some, and you also have elastic IP billings as well. If you want T2, T3, T4 G vCPUs per hour, that also you can calculate here. And service wise also you can go ahead, like Amazon's S3, Root, CloudFront, RDS. We have Elastic Load Balancer, DynamoDB, Elastic Cache, CloudWatch, SES, SNS, Elastic Transcoder, Workspaces, WorkDocs, Directory Service, Redshift, Glacier, SQS, SWS, Elastic MapReduce, Kinesis Streams, Cloud Search, Direct Connect, VPC, DynamoDB, Simple DynamoDB, Elastic File System, Amazon Elastic File System, the AWS Key Management Service, AWS Support. If you want any kind of support, they will definitely respond back to your mails, chat, and even calls as well. We also have some other services available on Amazon, which you can go ahead and select your region and get those services. So here you can see these are the regions. I can name some of the few: North Virginia, Atlanta, Boston, Chicago, Dallas, and there are total many regions, and still many more. Amazon is working, doing the research to add many more regions to you so that you can provision your infrastructure, provision everything you want. So here I will be waiting for your comments, like, share, and your subscriptions on my channel. Please hit the like button and click on smash the subscribe button. Click on smash the subscribe button, and hit the like target as well. So hope this video was informative, and gave you some more insights, some more knowledge about cloud. Have a nice day. Signing off, Nashit Ali. Cloudify with Nashit. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanking you.